Hey friends, this is TFUEL and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of TFUEL first broke out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, it broke down the support of an up channel. And this was one of those videos, and it broke down the up channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. Now, if you take a look at the live chart on a 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, we had a nice drop, but the technical target for this breakdown was here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 5.4 cents. And you can see that the price had dropped almost up to 5.7 cents. And recently it formed another rising wedge pattern. That is, by the way, more likely to be an ascending triangle. Here we have quite horizontal resistance, not an uptrend line, a quite horizontal resistance we have here, and an uptrend line support. And now after the breakout, you can see that we had a very nice pump. And the technical target for this triangle is by the way here. That was approximately at 8.7 cents. And the price and rallied beyond that target. And recently we have also broken out another very significant resistance of 8 cents as well. Now we are retesting the previous resistance of 8 cents as a support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, let me show on the 7 days time frame chart then. This support will be more visible. You can see that this 8 cents has been previously working as a resistance here. And before that, it was also working as support here. And here it has been also working as a resistance. And here as a resistance. Right now, you can see that the 7 days time frame chart, we are breaking it out. And on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have completely broken it out. And now the price and is retesting the previous resistance of 8 cents as support right now. While retesting it is moved slightly down than this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this down channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, this breakout is happening here on this 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TFUEL that I shared in the previous month of 2nd of December 2024. I shared this signal with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost 17% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TFUEL that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And this was the complete trade setup, by the way, for this trade signal buying on, sell targets on, in the stop loss. And this was a harmonic bullish vertical pattern that TFUEL formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied slightly beyond the sell target zone. First, it reached the sell target zone here, then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 17% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TFUEL. And here on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that recently we have broken out this ascending triangle. Before that, the price then broke down the support of this channel. But after the breakout from this triangle and this pump, I am not expecting that now the price then may hit the target completely to the downside here at the bottom of the channel. That was approximately at 5.4 cents. You can see that the price then dropped up to 5.74 cents. Now, after the breakout from this ascending triangle, we have so many support levels. Like we have this previous resistance of the triangle that can now work as support. We also have this long-term support of 6.7 cents. The previous support of the triangle can again work as support for the price. And after breaking down all these support levels, the price then can hit this target to the downside at 5.4 cents. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon we may see that the price then may continue this move to the upside too, make another powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 12 cents and goes to 15 cents. That is a key resistance zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then on a 7 days time frame chart, it will be visible. You can see that previously this resistance zone from 12 to 15 cents has been working as a very strong resistance zone here for several weeks. Before that, for several months, it had been working as a support zone here, here, and here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside that was begun, in fact, here after the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out this resistance line. By the way, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 13 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we may see another powerful attempt to break out this resistance line from 12 to 15 cents. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. After that breakout, we had a very nice pump, but the price then got rejected by this resistance line from 12 to 15 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.